Hi guys, welcome to the third episode in this particular series. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about the hard and soft skills sets of a product manager, or the hard and soft skill set in product management. So the first thing is, as a product manager, you can't build a tech product without understanding tech itself. So the first thing you need to do as someone who is new into the field is to, one, try understand technology itself. Like, try understand softwares, try understand websites, try understand tech stacks that are used in building softwares like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, a lot of tech stacks like that. There are even new ones that are coming up like every day. So you need to understand tech stacks, how tech stacks are used in building and development of softwares, websites, mobile apps, and Android apps as well. So, and also you need to like understand how tech is being used to like solve problems in different industries. You need to understand how tech is being used to solve problems in fintech, how it's being used to solve problems in logistics, how it's being used to solve problems in health tech. You need to understand how it's being used to solve problems in oil and gas, like health, virtually like every industry in which tech is actually like disrupting currently. So you need to understand like how tech products are being used to actually like solve problems there, something like that. So with these two knowledge, you understanding tech stacks and how it works, you understanding like industries and how tech products are being used to like solve problems in this industry. The next thing you need to have as a product manager is to have these hard and soft skills. So speaking to soft skills now, like, okay, let me start with the hard skills. So for the hard skill, you need to like understand project management. Like, how do you manage a group of people to be able to deliver on a particular task? How do you bring people resources together to ensure that value is being delivered at how do you bring people and resources together to ensure that a particular task is being achieved within a specific period of time that is being given to you? So to do this, you need to like have like a basic knowledge of project management, be able to like lead people to execute, to plan, execute, and also track the progress of projects as well. And you need to understand tools like Jira, Trello, and also Asana. You need to understand. You can even use Excel if you are just starting out, on how to like be able to like use it to like manage people and projects as well. Another hard skill you will need is also data analysis. Like, you need to like be able to like analyze data. You need to be able to like see data and be able to like get like informed. You need to be able to like manipulate data in such a way that you can be able to get insight from it, in which you can be able to like use to like make informed decision. And for tech products, you can use you need to learn how to make use of tools like Miss Panel, App Flyer. You can also make use of Google Analytics, depending on what uh, product you're actually working on. Either it's a website or something like that. So you need to be able to like know how to make use of data analytics to be able to like derive information. So these are some of like the hard skills in which you need to have like as a product manager. You need to be able to like understand how to manage people to execute projects. You need to also be able to like analyze data as well. So on the other side, the soft skills you need to have. The first one is communication. Like, there is nothing like over communication when it comes to product management, because you just have to keep talking. You need, as you are managing the stakeholders, you are managing the team, and you are also talking to the customer as well. So you need to like ensure that you're able to manage this line of communication between all the people involved in this project or in this product, to ensure that everyone is carried along, everyone is aligned, and everyone is in sync at every point in time, in the course or in the duration of building this product, or even after as well. You need to be able to like understand how to be able to like translate technical requirements. I mean, you need to be able to like understand business needs and convert it into technical requirements, so that developers can be able to like understand what is needed to be done and be able to like execute on it. And you also need to be able to like communicate what you've built to the customers in such a way that they can be able to like understand it in a layman language. So we are not like the middleman between the business, the developers, and also the customers as well. So, and to be able to like carry out this effectively, you need to like understand how to like communicate. Another skill you need is empathy. Like you need to like feel the pain of customers. Take for example now, like you are building a fintech app, and someone is trying to like do, maybe a business owner is trying to like receive payment from, let's say, US, and his own client too has been complaining that he needs to pay for it, and even he himself in Nigeria is expecting the money, and his client has been trying to like use your app, but it's not going. Like, you know how crazy that kind of situation will be. So you need to be able to like talk to that kind of customers. You need to be able to like calm him or she down till when your team is able to like rectify whatever is going on in that particular time or something. Or imagine a situation whereby people are trying to, especially on Friday, people are trying to make transfer and it is not going at all, and they are being debited. So as a PM, you need to like understand what people are actually going through at that particular point in time, be able to communicate it to your developers so that they can be able to like fix that issue at that particular point in time. So also you need to like have this leadership and collaborative skills. Why? Because you can't do things all alone. You always need like the people on your team around you to be able to ensure that things are done as expected. So you need to like inspire the team to do the right things. You need to like able to like negotiate trade-offs with your tech team, and also you need to like be able to like manage your like stakeholders, like talk to your stakeholders to be able to like get some things done, even some things that allow me for them to be able to like go out of their way to actually like approve of some certain things that are actually important for you to do. So finally, PMs are more like problem solvers, and they are more like, to me, they are more like jack of all trades, because you need to understand tech. Even though you are not a developer, you need to understand what a developer is doing, because if not, they are going to shortchange you. Task that is supposed to take like 1 hour, some developers are going to tell you it's going to take them 5 hours. But if they know that you know exactly what you are saying, they can be able to like come down to your level and be able to like just comply, something like that. So you need to like understand technology, how software is being built. You need to like know how to be able to communicate with the stakeholders in such a way that they will know that okay, you also carry the same business burden just like them. You need to also be able to like communicate effectively with the customers for them to know that okay, you actually feel their pain and you are ready to do everything to ensure that their problem is actually being solved and their needs are actually being met. So these are some of the hard and soft skills you actually need as a product manager. So as we progress, I'm going to talk like more because like there are still like some other things that are also like very important, but in this episode I won't be going beyond this. So thank you so much for joining or for listening to this particular episode. Watch out for the next one. Thanks.